Hi, and welcome back to Adams Automotive. Today we're working on my 2000 F350. We're going to be installing this 5-inch elbow exhaust tip. Right now, I have this 8-inch tip. It's just a standard tip with a rolled edge. I got it off Amazon. It is a chrome one. Right now it's been real rainy, so it's kind of muddy. But I'll give you guys a normal idle and then a high idle with this tip, and we'll cut it off and weld this new one on, and I'll give you guys a idle and high idle on that one too. Alright, so I got my adapter here. I just cut that piece off. Now we gotta clean this up so I can weld it onto here. I got this adapter all welded up. Now I gotta come down here and cut off some more extra pipe so I can fit that longer tip on there. Alright, so I got all the prep work done. Got my adapter welded on. Got my pipe cut back. And as you guys can see, I ground down the bare metal on this and that. So it should be able to get a good weld. So I'm gonna have some help holding it up where I want it. I'm gonna get it tacked and then I'll probably time lapse me welding it on. Not a whole lot of talk in this video, but I mean, there's not much to it. I'm just welding a tip on. Got the tip all welded on. It looks pretty good, especially from back here, like you were driving behind me. I'm gonna give you guys some sound clips now of starting it up, and then normal idle, and then high idle, kind of like how I did with the 8-inch tip. It's gonna be a little bit quieter, but I think this one looks a lot cooler. This is the tip on there. It looks pretty good. My exhaust setup is just a factory exhaust. It's a 3.5 inch, which is factory. I didn't feel like paying 500 bucks for a 4-inch, which is only half an inch more. It's kind of silly to me. But we got the tip on there. And then the only thing I've done other to the exhaust is I have this muffler delete pipe in here, which I believe came from Riff Raff Diesel. But other than that, factory exhaust, just that delete pipe right there. And now I got my tip on.